Hi everyone, welcome back to Makan Maven. Today I'm going to share with you guys an unconventional, breaking all rules, no steam steamed fish. Check out the video description for full recipe. Fish is an auspicious symbol, especially during festivity, and it has become a staple dish in every Chinese household. So this year, I broke the rule of steaming fish not using a steamer. Instead, I submerged the fish with water and blanched it over a low heat. First of all, slice 2 pieces of ginger and set aside for later. Then, julienne ginger and spring onions and place them into cold water. You will realize that the spring onions start to curl up. This is the visual effect that we intend to achieve. In the wok, pour over water just enough to submerge the fish. Adding few slices of ginger and Shaoxing wine. Then place the fish over a low heat. 6 minutes each side depending on the size of the fish. I got this inspiration when I was younger. I have been studying while doing part-time jobs in Chinese wedding banquet. Usually Chinese weddings do serve steamed fish. I've been wondering to myself, how big a steamer the banquet need in order to steam at least over 50 to 100 fishes all at once. Out of my curiosity, I sneaked into the prep kitchen, only realizing that restaurants actually blanch their fishes. A lot of you might be thinking, will this blanching method rid off all the sweetness of the fish? The answer is no. It does not only preserve the sweetness of the fish, it also gets rid of the stubborn fishiness and excess impurities of the fish. You will notice there are impurities floating above the water surface. This is the key to sweet and fresh fish. For the gravy, mix soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, water, and sugar. Give it a good stir. Next, place ginger and spring onion over the cooked fish. Then pour the gravy all over the fish. In a pan, heat up cooking oil, then pour over hot oil onto the fish. It helps to release the aroma of the ginger and spring onion. Lastly, place remaining spring onion for a fresh sensation. And here you go, my rendition of no steamed fish.